Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Nutrition Fact. Before entering into our topic, today I bought some interesting foods to get rid of the common problem that everyone had. That is about the hair fall and the hair growth. In our website, we had posted an article of top 10 foods for healthy hair growth. So immediately click on the link mentioned in our description box and know the causes for your hair fall and follow the tips given by us for your hair growth. Today I am gonna discuss about the protein rich vegetarian foods. Proteins are an important part of our daily diet. They provide our muscle cells and other tissues with growth factors that are required to keep them healthy and function normally. Generally, non vegetarian foods are the good and rich sources of protein. But vegetarians, there is no need to worry because there are many protein rich vegetarian foods that can beat even non vegetarian protein content. Here I mention some of the protein rich vegetarian foods with their protein amount per 100 grams of the food item. Cereals contain 6 to 12% protein, which is generally deficient in lysine and provides more than 50% of daily protein intake. Among cereals, rice protein is the best quality than other cereals. Now let us know the protein amount in some cereals. Rice contains about 6.8 grams of protein. Wheat flour contains about 12.1 grams of protein. Wheat semolina has 10.4 grams of protein. Jowar has 10.4 grams of protein. Bajra contains 11.6 grams of protein. And barley contains about 11.6 grams of protein. Some protein rich millets are Italian millet, which contain about 12.3 grams of protein, and finger millet has 7.3 grams of protein. Pulses and legumes. These are very rich source of protein. As the root nodules are sources of nitrogen for legumes, all legumes are best source of protein. Let us know the protein content of some pulses and legumes. Roasted Bengal gram contains 22.5 grams of protein. Black gram, horse gram, cowpea and green gram contain the same amount of protein, that is 24 grams. Soybean contains highest protein than any other plant-based, that is 43.2 grams. And finally, Brussels sprouts contain 4.7 grams of protein. Green leafy vegetables. These are very rich source of protein as they contain all essential amino acids. Protein content of green leafy vegetables are like this. Agate has 8.4 grams of protein. Drumstick leaves contain 6.7 grams of protein. Spinach contain 2.9 grams of protein. Coming to legumes, beans contain about 3 grams of protein. And green peas contain about 7.2 grams of protein. Nuts and oil seeds. These are very good source of protein and also contain omega-3 fatty acids. Let us know the individual protein content in each nuts and seeds. Almonds contains 20.8 grams of protein. Cashews contain about 21.2 grams of protein. Pistachios contain about 19.8 grams of protein. Walnuts contain 15.6 grams of protein. Groundnuts contain about 40.1 grams of protein, which is the highest among all seeds. Whereas the dry coconut contains 6.8 grams of protein. And watermelon seeds has 34.1 grams of protein. Spices and condiments. These are very important as a food and also as a medicine. These bring out the unique taste, texture and color to the recipe, which gives the more attractiveness to the food. Compared to cereals, pulses and legumes, spices and condiments are slightly low in protein content. But here I mentioned some spices and condiments with their protein contents. Coriander seeds has 14.1 grams of protein. Cardamom has 10.2 grams of protein. Dry chili has 15.9 grams of protein. whereas garlic has 6.3 grams of protein. Fenugreek seeds has 26.2 grams of protein. Cumin seeds has 18.7 grams of protein. Black pepper contains 11.5 grams of protein and mustard seeds contains about 20 grams of protein. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk and milk products are the rich sources of protein, and these products may prevent osteoporosis and bone fractures and also helps in maintaining healthy weight. Here buffalo's milk contains 4.3 grams of protein, whereas cow's milk has 3.2 grams of protein. And the milk product cheese contains 24.1 grams of protein. Fruits. Comparatively, fruits has very low content of protein, but some of the fruits are given with the protein content. Guava contains 2.6 grams of protein and grapefruit contains 0.9 grams of protein. Kiwi has 1.1 grams of protein. And finally, blackberries contain 1.3 grams of protein.